What's up, guys? And I'm here with ZayyVR, and we're going to do a video doing the new monkey bizz stuff.
Yeah, monkey bizz. Yeah, we'll show you what that is if y'all haven't played it.
If you don't know,
I think it's called.
It's these task
if you
things.
haven't played it, right here.
Yeah.
You do task and earn points on a badge.
I can't really earn any points
because free in the shop.
Cause I'm too Sigma. Oh, what did I say that? I can't earn any points. They're zero claimable because they don't have they haven't updated yet to all these. So
okay,
we can just do them. We can just do them.
Play infection and canyon. I haven't done that. Have you?
Nope.
Okay, so let's do a group and join random infection. But do we just have to play for like 1 second in there? Or
yeah, hold up. Wait, no, come here. Come in canyons. This is an infection. I think private counts.
We're already in an infection game.
Yeah, we're already in infection. I think private counts.
We probably have to get like. You know, the camera on Gorilla Tag can be like super laggy and it goes through your body.
Okay, I'm behind you. Tag me.
But you know the camera on Gorilla Tag?
Yeah.
It's super laggy, like on some of my videos that I made. It's like super
oh, you got
it,
me.
like,
Okay.
phases through your body.
Okay. Well, that's
They
annoying.
need to really fix that.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not on this video, but
if it is, that's gonna be annoying. I'm gonna tag you. Come here.
No.
I gotta run away.
Not that fast. Like.
No, I'm messing up. Hold up. Come and tag me. No, oh, shoot. Where'd you go?
Bro, the rope, it hit me backwards.
Where'd you go? No.
I can't get back up.
I'm not up there anymore. Dude. No! Okay, hold up. I think the task is done. Let's go check.
Fish, very, very cheap. Unbound fish, very, very good. Fish. Where you at? Oh.
What was that noise?
What?
Was it this? Oh, dude. Oh, I like that sound.
You think it was a Girl Tag ghost?
No. It's something different. Oh, someone's calling me. Hold up. Cannot answer that. Okay. Did it work?
Oh.
No. Hold up. Why am I wearing this cosmetic? Dude. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't even see you put that on.
I didn't know why I bought that in the first place. Fist bump player. I have to fist bump.
Yeah, you have to fist bump like a lot. Fist bump
Hold up.
players, 2 out of 10.
Fist bump.
You can
try it again. It works.
Oh, it does work.
It works.
Going up.
Dude, it's not working.
Yes, got it.
Oh yeah.
Wait.
Okay, let's go. Go for a swim. Let's go. Let's go for a swim.
Okay, I didn't get it.
Let's go to beach. Good old beach.
I'm getting it.
A beach. A beach. A beach.
Ride the shark. Go for
A beach.
swim. It's small.
We have to go to beach for ride a shark and go for a swim.
Okay.
I'm going to beach already. I'm probably gonna make a tutorial on how to get this. So if you want me to make a tutorial on how to get these cool frames per second, battery FPS, stuff like that, I will do that in the future if you guys want me to. Oh no, okay. Yeah, I'm still here. I'm in beach. I'm gonna do a tutorial on something. Okay, where's Shark the Mark? Come here, Shark the Mark. Shark the Mark, where are you going? No, Shark the Mark, come here. No, Shark the... Oh my gosh. Dude, come here. Come here. Let's go. Okay, that's a task. I'm going for a swim. I think we have to go for a longer swim. Can I water run? No, I cannot. Wait, can I? I don't remember if I can or not. Oh, I can. I can, not that well though. Can't do it super good. Wait, I have to jump into the water. I have to do my great dive. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. I didn't make it. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Where's the shark at? I'm trying. Oh.
The sharks, it's in the water somewhere. Yippee! I didn't go that. Oh, no, dude. No, oh my gosh.
You know what confuses me?
What?
Oh, here's a shark, How in the world is there snow?
I don't know. Gonna have to ask Lemming that question.
I just saw a shark.
Okay, I dived. I'm very bad at swimming.
Yeah, I don't really like swimming.
No?
Yeah. It gets seagulls.
Yeah. When beach first came out, and I was just swimming, right? It was hard to swim. It took me a long time to get the hang of swimming. Yippee! I think we got 2 tasks done. What the? I want to do that again. Where'd you?
Did you already ride the shark?
Yup. I think when you came in here, I started riding the shark.
That I could climb any.
Yeah, once you have 10, you can't claim anymore.
Wait,
Once you have 10, you can't claim anymore.
You can't?
Yeah, I think next week they're gonna update it.
Oh, then I already completed it. Well, I guess that's so good.
Okay, let me check. No, oh my gosh. Now you guys are gonna see me fail. Oh wait, I didn't fail.
How much do you have?
10.
I've seen people with 11.
Dude, what? Are you sure? Oh, I went for a swim and I rode the shark. Okay, get small. Okay. I'm going to monkey blocks though, because I do not feel like going to basement. I feel like going to monkey blocks. Basement is more of a hassle.
I don't want to go to basement.
Yeah, I don't go to basement a lot.
Like sometimes if I'm bored and post.
Yeah. Sounded creepy there for a sec. Oh guys, I spend a lot of money on this game.
Didn't you spend like 200?
Don't talk about that. Oh hi.
You know how much money I spent?
Do. How much?
You know how much money I spent on this game?
How much?
$5.
Oh.
That's fact.
Dude.
I'm not even joking.
Oh no, I feel like
just for 1,000 shiny rocks.
Well, okay. Oh my gosh. I threw my controller on the ground.
He threw your controller.
Dude.
That happens to me like a lot of times. It's so annoying.
Yeah.
So, if the monkey bits are done, what are you gonna do?
Oh,
Right.
we still have to play
Well,
in canyons because it didn't work. Are you okay?
yeah.
Are you okay? That sounded very painful.
No, I hit my wrist with like no protection on.
Why do you keep hitting your wrists and stuff? Like you're hitting your arm.
My door was open.
We did it. I'll be right back. You can just stay in the code, okay?
So guys, we're gonna end the video.
Wait, hold up. I'm not in the video yet. I'll be right back. I have to play infection. I have to do it. I have to do it before I end the video. I have to do it. If I don't do it, I'm gonna peel. Did I do it? Do we have to play like a round? I think I did it.
Throw snowballs at the party hat.
Okay, random stuff.
No.
I'm not one guy that added like a one.
Okay, I'm in.
Oh, there you are. Okay, well, what was I saying? Well, guys, we're gonna end the recording. Right
Yeah, I'm gonna end the. Yep.
Well, hope y'all enjoy the new update of Monkey Bizz.
Monkey Bees. I hope you guys. I hope you guys have a good day
I know
too.
I won't enjoy it. No, I'm kidding.
I know. This is the worst
day,
update ever. Like
and-
worst update. No, I'm kidding. Have a good day. Bye.